Who's that tiny walking ball of fluff with a face like a fox, a tail that plumes over its back, and a personality that thinks it's 10 times its actual size? If you're thinking of the Pomeranian, you've nailed it. Often called the Lulu da Pomerania. In many parts of the world, this breed is the ultimate definition of a big dog in a small package. They are charismatic, bold, and undeniably one of the most popular toy breeds on the planet. But is the Pomeranian just a delicate lapdog that spends its day looking pretty? Or is there an ancient, rugged history behind those dark, sparkling eyes? Today, we are diving deep into the world of the Pomeranian to uncover the secrets of this mini lion. We'll explore their surprising journey from the icy fields of the Arctic to the laps of European royalty. We'll separate the myths from the reality and show you exactly what it takes to care for that magnificent double coat and keep their sharp minds busy. Let's unravel the mystery of the Pomeranian. Part 1. The Arctic Origins Giants in Disguise, believe it or not. Your little 3-kilogram fluff ball was once a 15-kilogram powerful worker. The Pomeranian is a descendant of the large, wolf-like Spitz dogs from the Arctic. These ancestors were used for herding, guarding, and even pulling sleds across frozen terrains. The breed gets its name from Pomerania, a region in northern Europe now, part of Poland and Germany. It was here that the larger Spitz dogs were bred down into a more manageable size. However, they didn't become the toy breed we know today until they reached the royal courts of England. When you see a Pomeranian spinning in circles or barking at a giant Labrador, you are seeing the ancient heart of a sled dog that refuses to believe it's small. Part 2. The royal influence, Queen Victoria's favorite. The transformation of the Pomeranian into a global superstar is largely thanks to Queen Victoria. During a visit to Italy in 1888, she fell in love with a particularly small Pomeranian named Marco. At the time, Poms were still medium-sized dogs, but the Queen began breeding them specifically to be smaller. Because of her influence, the breed's size decreased by nearly 50% during her lifetime. She was so devoted to the breed that, according to history, her favorite Pom was at her bedside when she passed away. This royal connection solidified the Pomeranian as the ultimate status symbol, moving them from the rugged outdoors to the most elegant velvet cushions in Europe. Part 3. Personality. The tenaciety with the lion's roar. Pomeranians are famous for their extroverted and alert temperament. They are incredibly intelligent and in tune with their owners. However, there is a catch. They are often convinced they are the alphas of the household. This can lead to small dog syndrome if not managed. They are excellent watchdogs because they are suspicious of strangers and will alert you to the sound of a leaf falling 3 blocks away. While they are affectionate, they are also independent. They love a good snuggle, but they also have a mind of their own. Training is essential because, without it, your Pomeranian will quickly start training you. Part 4. The iconic coat beauty comes at a price. The most striking feature of the Pomeranian is undoubtedly its double coat of soft, dense undercoat and a long, harsh-textured outer coat. Keeping that puffball look requires dedication. Brushing. You need to brush them at least 3 to 4 times a week to prevent painful mats and to manage shedding. To blow out twice a year, they will shed their entire undercoat. During this time, your house will look like it's snowing orange fluff. Professional grooming, regular trims around the paws and sanitary areas are a must to keep them clean and comfortable. Part 5. Health and vital care beyond the fluff. While Pomeranians are generally healthy and can live up to 16 years, their tiny bodies have specific vulnerabilities that every owner must know. Dental, have small mouths mean crowded teeth. They are extremely prone to tartar buildup and early tooth loss. Daily brushing isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Luxating patella, like many toy breeds, their kneecaps can sometimes slip out of place. Keeping them at a healthy weight and avoiding high-impact jumps is key. Collapse. Trachea, they have delicate throats. Always use a harness instead of a collar to prevent permanent damage to their windpipe. Reverse sneezing. Don't panic. It sounds scary, but it's common in the breed. Usually, a gentle stroke on the throat helps them reset. The Pomeranian is a masterpiece of the evolution of fierce Arctic spirit wrapped in a royal silken package. They are loyal, brilliant, and possess a joy for life that is truly contagious. If you can handle the grooming and the big personality, you'll have a tiny lion that will follow you to the ends of the earth. Do you have a Pomeranian that you also think is the boss of the house? Share your stories in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, Give us a like and subscribe to the Doggo Zone for more. Stay fluffy, and we'll see you in the next video.